Hey everybody, Dano here. Well, last few days I've noticed that my draw on the wood burner has been decreasing a little bit. So I thought I'd come out here and punch the chimney bore out real quick. It doesn't really take me that long as I'm about to demonstrate. So this will actually be the second time I've done it this season. First season I never did it once, but this season I'm running the magic heat and it definitely appears to be adding a little more creosote in the chimney there. So I'm just gonna get right to it. It don't take much, so hang tight. Here's everything that's gonna come out of there. Not much, but there's more to come. This should be the last one, so I put you up top. Alright, now I just tear it down. You can see I used the whole kit. This was, it says on here. Should. 18 feet. So, that's all the way up. You know, I got a couple feet there. Probably got about solid 15 feet of chimney out here, so now it's just easy, take it down. And that's all there is to it. Run it up, kind of rake it back and forth as you go, pull it out. Some guys use a drill. That seems like it would take more time than it's worth to me, so I just get a little finger workout twisting that in there and also. Yep, that's it. So, hope you learned something. I made life pretty simple for myself having my clean out down here too, so if you're gonna put one of these together, I would highly recommend doing this. So that just about does it. I'm pretty cold, so have a good day, everybody.